In case you didn't know, Stony Brook just implemented a new ticketing system. In this video, you will learn how to access this system, search for services, create tickets, and view and reply to submitted tickets. As a disclaimer, this video is intended for Stony Brook University users. Stony Brook Medicine users use a different ticketing environment which will not be covered in this video. Please note that as we go through this presentation, you'll notice some options not available to you. As members of DoIT, we have some permissions that users cannot access. So if you're seeing something in this video not available, it is because of these permissions, so please keep that in mind. To access this system, head over to help.stonybrook.edu. Here, you may have to choose if you are a Stony Brook University or Stony Brook Medicine user. This is important to make sure your request gets to the proper location. Once you're in, you can sign into the system at the top right of the screen. It's recommended to sign in when first accessing the system, as certain requests require you to be logged in. Then you can type in your username, which is your Stony Brook email. And then you can type in your net ID and password to log in. Once you log in, you can find a list of services offered by DoIT. This can be accessed by clicking the Services option in the red bar. Once clicked, you'll see a variety of categories that pertain to certain requests. For example, if I needed help with logging into Solar, I could click on Accounts and Passwords. And then I can choose the option to help accessing Solar. If you're having trouble finding the category for a service you're looking for, you can always view a list of all of our services offered by clicking Services A to Z. Here you can see every service currently available. For example, if I needed help with Zoom, I could click on the Z shortcut, and then I see the service offering for Zoom. If you're still having trouble finding the service you're looking for, you can always type in the search bar for that particular service. For example, I can type in Brightspace to find services related to our learning management system. Once you find the service you're looking for, you can see a description of it, and you can also select one of the assistance forms to the right to submit a ticket for it. Some services will have more than one form, so be sure you're selecting the correct one. For example, services for Brightspace include general assistance and requesting a Brightspace site or tool. In this example, I'll select Request Assistance. Once you click on a form to submit a ticket, you'll see fields to be filled in. Some of these fields are specific to the assistance form that you selected. This is to make sure that the group receiving your ticket has all pertinent information to assist you with resolving your request. Once you are finished filling out these fields, you can select Submit. Please note that if you couldn't find the service that you were looking for, you can always submit a quick ticket for general assistance. You can submit quick tickets by selecting Report an Issue from the home screen. Or you can select Quick Help from the list of service categories offered. Please note that quick tickets will go to a general help desk who will route your request to the appropriate area of DoIT. Submitting a ticket via a service category will auto-route your ticket to the group responsible for resolving the ticket immediately. Once your ticket is submitted, you can view the status of it by selecting the View Your Ticket shortcut on the home screen. Then, you can click on the title of the submitted ticket. Once your ticket opens, you can scroll down to the feed. This is where you can see any notes made by a tech, including status updates. You can reply directly to notes made by techs by selecting the comment button under the note that was left. Or, you can make a new note by selecting the comment button at the top of the screen. Either comment option will notify the tech. Thank you for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content.